how to set up more fingerprints to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, so click on lock screen. So after click on lock screen, enter your phone pin and click on continue. So if you want to set up more fingerprints, so click on fingerprint and click on continue and click on register. So you will see. You will see fingerprint is add. So if you want to add another fingerprint, so click on add and you will see add another fingerprint. So you will see. You will see another fingerprint is add. So after the process, click on done, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set up more fingerprint to unlock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.